So Krishna should be the master here. So everything must not attract us, but attract us for the service of Krishna. In this way we must be adjusted with the environment. That is not to eliminate beautiful, not to eliminate anything which is good in our consideration. And from the bottom of the heart, the foreign element of exploitation and renunciation will vanish, and the innate tendency will be awakened to utilize anything and everything for the service of Krishna. Vam dekhi bham hai, ehi to Vrindavan. Shailo dekhi mone hai, ehi Govardhan. Very, very mountain, oh, Govardhan. Very, very jungle, oh, this is Vrindavan, exciting. That is what is necessary. Everything will remind me, excite me in the service of my Lord. Vishwam Purna Sukhayati. The whole world will be of the highest pleasure to us when we shall get such adjustment in our soul's position. Such adjustment, no reaction. Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari. Gaur Hari, Lal. No elimination. Religion is proper adjustment. Our Prabhupada always used to say this word. We are maladjusted. We want to be properly adjusted. That is what is necessary. Not to renounce anything and everything. No problem. That is not solution. Solution is adjustment is solution. It is created for nothing. It is not. It is we are created for fulfillment. Only maladjusted we are, so we suffer. But we are properly Swarupena Bhavasthiti. Srimad Bhagavata's definition of the answer of Mukti. Muktir hitta unyatharupam. To give up what is otherwise with us, like a disease, foreign thing has come. Hitta unyatharupam Swarupena Bhavasthiti. The Hegel's theory, self-determination. Mukti means self-determination. What is my proper location in this world? To get that. That is Swarupena Bhavasthiti, Vishesh Avasthiti. Firmly settled in my proper undesirable forces of nature and to move freely without caring for anything else. That is artificial. There are so many like me, and there must be some relation, mutual relation. And that is something will represent the whole. What will be my relation with that whole, absolute whole? I am a part. That is all, they are silence. The salvation school are silent there. After Mukti, so many, what will be the relation between those Mukta souls? And what will be their relation with the absolute environment? They are silent. So it is not final solution. Mukti. Final solution must have to be our position in the relation of the absolute whole. Then it will be final. We cannot divorce us from the absolute whole around us. We must have some position in relation to the absolute. That must be found out and settled, understanding, and we must have such position in relation to self-determination. Cannot eliminate the environment, the absolute. That means Lord, God. In reality, the slavery to the absolute, that it should be our real position. Otherwise, we are not so meager, we cannot come to such a helpless position. We are connected with absolute, we can't deny that. At the same time, our position is not very desirable, then we cannot come under such unfavorable forces. So, if I get a post of a slave there, that will be the maximum for us. And there I can enjoy my maximum fated enjoyment. I can get there only, and not very big. Then why should I be here? If I was a big position, then why should I be here? And there's so many insects, so many worms, so many in the creation. They're all absolute. So many absolute. So many infinite. The ludicrous thing. All right. Today I want to take it here. I shall speak in English. Yes. I think all these topics are relevant or irrelevant. Proper meaning of the sound of the word that is necessary. The soundness, the spirit. Only the physical aspect is represented there, in Namapura, but not the real name. That is all spiritual. This was misunderstood as Namakartari.
Yes.
Oh, Namakshara.
Namakshara.
Namakshara Bahiraya. It comes out. Bahiraya means comes out. Namakshara. The letters in the name. The sound of the letters in the name. But Nam Kobunai, it is never the name real.
Yes.
It is in Bhaktivinoda Thakur writing Prem Vivarta. Jagannath, made by Jagadananda and edited by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. That is full of Gauriya Siddhanta, that booklet. Jagadananda Pandit. The note collected by Jagadananda Pandit, that has been given the shape of a book. The name is Prem Vivarta. Prem Vivarta, the name of the book. There this passage you will find. Namakshar Bahiraya Bhate, Nam Kobhu Noy. It should not be thought to be the name. Should not be thought to be the name proper in any time, ever. Kobhu. Wrong.
So Maharaj, even in Namabhas, it's depending on Krishna.
That is also Akshara to some extent. The sound aspect, the outer aspect, but the inner representation of the name is not there. Namabhas, this side the mukti. It can give us mukti, liberation, as the emancipation from the negative side. That there also we cannot trace participation in the positive. So name is not present there. Name is a positive thing. And to get the touch of it, we must have admission in the positive world. And when we are always in the negative side, how can we get the touch of the name? For mukti, give liberation, but not participation in the devotional realm. So proper name is not to be found there also. Mukti-kulai rupashyamam. A particular group of the liberated soul, they want to worship the name, not all. Muktakulir Upashyamana Parita. So many liberated souls are found to worship him, to respect him around all the sides of the name. Rupa Goswami says. Rupa Goswami spoke. Harinama Samsayami Suti Mauli Ratna Duti Nirajita Pada Pankajanto. This beginning. Oi Muktakulir Upashyamana Parita Stang Harinama Samsayami. Sanatana Goswami's slok. Vidanitaniya Dharma Dhyana Pujari Yatnam. That is by Sanatana Goswami. Nikhila Suti Mauli Ratnamala Duti Nirajita Pada Pankajam. Rupa Goswami says, Nikhila Suti Mauli Ratna. Not in all the Sutis, the Namahata, the greatness of the name may be found. Not in ordinary Suti. Nikhila Suti, the whole of the Suti, if you study, then you will find the very spirit of it. Nikhila Suti Mauli. Mauli means the head. Mauli Ratna. Ordinary people may not find when they will study the Shruti. But there are Saragrahi, those that can collect the real substance, the real purpose from the vast writing. They will be able to detect the whole purpose of all the main Shruti, the principal sutra in the Shruti. They are giving hints. Shruti means Shabda. Shruti that can be grasped by the ear. Shruti, Shabda. So the Shabda, all the sounds, revealed truth sound that has come from up, they naturally say to us that through sound only you can approach the reality. Otherwise they are suicidal. If Shruti does not say, by sound only you will get the thing, then what is the necessity of Veda? That is only sound embodied. So, if we can trace the very real characteristic of the Shruti, we shall say the principal Shruti are saying that by sound, by the cultivation of sound, you can get the Lord. So we have come only through sound. Sabda Pramanam. The sound can give deliverance of the reality. Shruti cannot but say so. Otherwise Shruti will be ineffective. They are only jumble of sounds. Shruti means bed, which we can receive through the ear. That is sound only. The sound is absolute. So we have come to declare to you that through sound only you will attain the highest end. So the main sutras of the Shruti informs us. Nikhila Shruti Mauli. Mauli means the principal Shrutis. Ratnamala. and they are like so many gems or jewels, and that is formed in a necklace, and by the luster of that principal Shrutis, it is shown the feet of the name, holy name. Ratnamala Duti Nirajito, Arutriko. Nirajan mane Arutriko. Just as by the light we make Nirajan, the Arutriko, to show the ordinary people more clearly the figure of the Lord. So, the principal Shrutis, they are helping us to have this conjecture, of this perception, that by sound only we can have the Supreme Lord. Do you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Rupa Goswami says that it is the business of the Shruti. If we give more attention, then we'll find the principal Shrutis are only trying to show, just as like Aruti, the Panchadeep is trying to show you the figure generally you can see the Srimurti, but the Pradeep, with the help of the Deepo, you can have a particular conception of different parts of the body of the Lord. So, the principal Shrutis, we will find that they are trying to Nirajan, to show by their shikha, by their flame, the light of flame of light, the Nirajito Pada Pankajamta, the lower portion of you, the name, that is leading us to help to have a conception of the remotest part, the vague conception that name is everything. Mala Duti Niradito Pago Panko Janto, Oi Muktukule Rupashyamano. And those that are really liberated, they are all around and adoring you and praising you, we shall see. Paritastang Harinamo Sangsrayami. And I take refuge to the conception of the figure of Harinamo in this spirit. This spirit, that is, the Krishna Nama is not found in Veda. Why should we take Krishna Nama? Is it in Veda? Some will come and say. Rather, sometimes it is mentioned as the name of a Asura, is Krishna, in Veda. So, Krishna Nama not in the Veda. I say, why should I take the name? Sabalat Shamang Prabodhe, Shamat Shabadam Prabodhe. Samo is there. Sam and the Sabala. Sabala and the Sam. Sam is considered to be Krishna and the Sabala Sri Radhika. In Veda we find Samat Shabalam Prabodhe, Sabalat Shamang Prabodhe. By the help of Sama, we shall be introduced to be the service of Sabala, and by the help of Sabala, we shall try to be introduced in the service of Sama. We shall take help of both the parties, Shakti, Shaktiman, Sam and Sabala. Sabalat Shamang Prabodhe. Samat Sabalam. Sabala means white. Generally, Sam means black and white. Black and white, Krishna Balaram and also Krishna Radharani. That has been interpreted by the Acharya. So Samat Chabalam Prabodhi, Chabalat Shamam Prabodhi, we find there. And as Rupa Goswami says that all the superficial study of the Ved, it will frustrate you. But if you, with a positive mind, by the grace of the Sadhu Acharya Mahajana, you go to look out, then find the principal Shrutis there. They are only only persuading us or leading us towards the conception that the whole object of all the sounds are towards the central sound. There are all so many parts come to distribute the teachings of the absolute realm, but their center, there must be a center, the higher center, and with the principal sound, they are all everything light to show, like torch, to show that we have got a central center sound, and that is represents the whole, and it is Krishna. And so many liberated sections, they are sitting all around to show their respect to that central sound, from which all the mantram of the Vedas has emanated, to give some idea of that absolute center, sound aspect of the center. There cannot but be. This is Rupa Goswami's argument. All these branches of Shruti, sound, they are all sound. So many sounds, they must come from a central position. And they cannot but direct to a proper eye that we have got a center, fountain, and go, start, run towards that direction. You will find everything in there. In our souls you will find everything. We are all representing things partly. We are so many branches, we represent so many parts. But we have got a center, we have got fountain. And the leading of them, you go to this direction. And you will find that sound is sufficient. Sound can satisfy you, sufficiently satisfy you, the sound aspect. And through that, you may be introduced to other aspects of that sound. So name first important, and name is not less. It represents, it can represent the whole, the name for Krishna now. Nikhila Suti Mauli Ratna Mala Duti Nirajita Pada Pankajanta Vai Muktukuli Rupashyamana Parita Stang Sansarame Krishna Nam Tam. I take refuge under you. That grand central sound who has given cohesion to all the sounds in the revealed Krishna. That is the meaning. Sanatana Goswami says, Viramita Niya Dharma Dhyana Pujari Yatnam Jayati Jayati Namananda Rupam Murari. Let the ecstasy in the service of the divine name be victorious. Be victorious. Jayati Jayati Namananda Rupam Murari. Viramita Niya Dharma Dhyana Pujari Yatnam. Anyhow, if we come in contact with that sound, Namarupa Murari, then all other activities are paralyzed, have no necessity. Viramita Nija Dharma. First, all the duties, sense of duty paralyzed. They are abandoned, no necessity. So many variegated duties, they have no necessity at all if I can get the service of the name. Viramito Nijo Dharma, Dhyano, and meditation. Dharma means this business, engagement of the Kurmi in the world. Dhyano means retired from this physical world and making meditation within. trying to exploit anything in the internal world, that is also stopped, paralyzed. Cessation puts a stop. Dhyana. Viramita nijo dharma dhyana. Pujadi rupam. And the Ramanuja section, they are making archan in the Vaikuntha and Dakshinarayana. That will also be stopped. No necessity. If you get the real grace of the divine name, then you will have to retire from all the phases of these different types of worshipping. Dharma, dhyan, puja. Dharma means this duty, varnashram dharma. Dhyan means the Jnani, yogi, covering them, and the puja covering also Ramanuja Sampradaya, after Mukti in the Vaikuntha. The name will take to the perception of the Goloka, and you will have to retire completely from all these phases of your life divine. So do any work, even it may be for Krishna, then the dhanam, the internal meditation, and calculation and other things, and puja, showing respect to his service, and then only the name can stop all this. You will have no other mind. You can't give any attention to any other thing. So much sweetness you will find in taking the name. When you really come in contact with the sound aspect of the Absolute, then all other enthusiastic and endeavoring attempts in you will be paralyzed. You can't do. Koriyat upodhav chitti varshe sudadhav more jare pramero dagari kichu na buhite julo more to batu dukoilo more chitta vittu. Koriyat upodhav chitti varshe sudadhav more jare ওই প্রলয় আগমন ভাবে সৎপদে হয়ে যাবে. All other functions paralyzed. You can't attend them. You are only taking name. Then, when again that name will allow you to do other services, you do that. Name has such power and potency, such high degree of potency, that you will stop all other branches of services and charm you. Namananda rupam viramita nijo dharma dhyana puja adhijatnam kathamapi sukhidatnam muktinam praninam jat paramamamitamekam jivanam bhushanam. In Rupa Goswami we find Tunje Tandavini, when it comes down and they capture the tongue, the lips, so strongly it controls and engage them in the movement for taking them. This is like a mad. Tongue is mad, lips are mad. So as power has descended in them. Tandavini, Ratin Viduliti Tundavadi. And there comes also a feeling that only one tongue and one mouth is not sufficient. Thousands of mouths is necessary. One mouth is not sufficient to take the name. Tundavadi, Karna Krura Karambini. When it captures, enters the ear and it captures it, when such a great force, the current comes in the ear, one thinks that Karna Krura, only one ear, 2 years is not sufficient. Crores of years I want to attend the current that is coming, the sweet current that is entering into my ear. 2 years, what is? It is nothing. Crores of years are necessary. It is like a flood, it is coming, pushing within me through the ear. So sweet, so sweet. Karna krura karambini ghatayati karnagri bhaspya chetu prangana sangini vijayati sadbindriyana. And it goes to capture the heart, the center of all the senses, then whole thing paralyzed. Paralyzed. Palai ragavan bhave sarpadeo jaya. Karna krura karambini ghatayati karna chetu prangana sangini vijayati sadbindriyana ankati. Wherever it touches that sweet aggressor, wherever it touches, the whole thing captures in such intensely that all others are ignored. Prangana sangini vijayati sarvendriyanangati. No jane janita kiyad bhigamiti krishniti varnadai. I can't know, I can't say. I fail to express by how much and what sort of quality of nectar is in the name of Krishna. Only these 2 letters. These 2 letters can contain how much and what high quality sweetness there, that it plays like this, plays like this. Wherever it goes, its nature is like that. So aggressive. Sweetness is so aggressive in its nature. Wherever it goes, it captures it, the whole thing. Nothing remains. That is. It is in Vidabdha Madhaparas, Rupa Goswami. Right. What's your Krishna, Krishna. ওটা যেটা কালকে বলেছিলাম, ওটা নামাক্ষর বাহিরায় বটে নাম কবু নয়, সেইটা নানা কর্তরি মতন হয়ে গিয়েছে। নামাক্ষর বাহিরায় বটে নাম কবু নয়, ওটা ইয়েটা প্রেম বিবর্ত শ্লোক। গৌর হরি বল, গৌর হরি বল, গৌর হরি বল। আর যেটা লেখা থাকে নিদায়।
Maharaj, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and I think maybe Saranagati, there's one sloka, a song where he describes how the Nam comes from inside and then comes...
হৃদয় হইতে বলে জিভার অগ্রেতে চলে শব্দরূপে নাচে অনুক্ষণ. The whole thing is described there very beautifully. গোড়াটা বিষয় বাসনা নলে মোর চিত্ত সদা জলে রবি তপ্ত মরুভূমি সম. Just like a desert, hot with the sun ray. This is my internal mind condition is like that. A desert and the sun ray connection. So my heart is like that, my whole mind. কি বললাম?
রবিতপ্ত মরুভূমি।
আর তার গোড়াটাকে বিষয় বাসনা নলী মোর চিত্ত সদা জলে রবিতপ্ত মরুভূমি সম. Because by the desires of mortal things, by nature they cannot satisfy. Because they are, by nature they are mortal. They are death producing, separation producing, death producing. This is their nature. And no, not 1 or 2, thousands of such death-producing things have taken shelter in my mind. And so it is always burning, so in the subconscious region. প্রভুতপ্ত মরে বিষয়ে বাসনা জলে মোর চিত্ত সদা জলে রবি তপ্ত মরুভূমি সম কর্ণরন্ধ্র পথ দিয়া হৃদি মাঝে প্রবেশিয়া বলিস হে সুধা অনুভব। And this is my condition. Anyhow, through my ear from Sadhu Guru, the name of Krishna entered into my heart. Krishna, with its infinite prospect. Sudha Anubhava, Karnarandha, anyhow entered through the whole of the ear and entered into and reached the plane of my heart, my consideration, and there with the hope of some peculiar nature, with infinite auspicious possibility, with such news, it touched my heart. Karnarandha Padhuri Hridimaj Poriṣaya Sudha Anupama, a nectar of new type, new hope, is aroused by that sound. হৃদয় হইতে বলে জিভার অগ্রতে চলে. Then by force it comes from the heart towards the tongue, forcibly comes. I am not to make any attempts for that. That in the tongue, by my endeavor I am producing the sound, not. From the heart, what came from the heart of the sadhu, through the ear entered my heart, and that forcibly came to my tongue and began to dash. That is name proper. It's descent from higher regions. It cannot be produced in the material form of this tongue. Its source is above, and through the agent it comes, and the way through the ear to the heart, and from heart it gets some sympathy, and then forcibly it comes out on the tongue and began to dance. হৃদয় হইতে বলে মানে বলপূর্বক, with great force. বলে হৃদয় জিভার অগ্রতে চলে, comes to the end of the tongue, and the শব্দরূপী নাচে অনুক্ষণ, and that sweet sound began. It's dancing, নাচে অনুক্ষণ। কণ্ঠে মোর ভঙ্গেশ্বর, অঙ্গ কাঁপে থরথর। The real feats of the name, of divine name, has been described. How it should do. If a living name, a real name, then its ways should be such. Kanthe mor bhangeshwar, the voice choked, sometimes, then shivering in the body. Angokama sthir hoite na pare charan, the legs cannot stand idly. চোখে ধারা, sometimes tears flow in a current. দেহে ঘর্ম, sweats on the body. চোখেরা দেহে ঘর্ম, পুলকিত সব জন্ম. The hairs stand on their leg নাকি পুলকিত. The
goosebumps. Goosebumps. Called goosebumps. Stand on their ends.
বিবর্ণ হইল কলেবর. Sometimes changes of color is found in the body, of white, red, etc. বিবর্ণ হইল কলেবর, Murchita Harilamon Pralay Ragavan. Sometimes no trace we can get of the mind or consciousness. A fall and in soon. Pralay Ragavan. Murchita Harilamon Pralay Ragavan. Mahadesat Bodhi. And the whole body and the mind is as if it is being attacked and troubled and shivered, influenced in variegated nature. Puryato buddhav chitte varshe sudhadhav. Those apparently it may seem that so many troubles are created in the body and the mind, but in the real heart it is pouring a particular kind of strange juice, sweet juice in the very center of our consideration. Pitte varshe sudhadhav, moridari primero sagori. And sometimes he thinks that I am in the ocean of nectar. My whole feeling, the body's feeling of my existence, just within an ocean with nectar in liquid. Moridare primere sagori. Kichu na bujite dilo mori to batul koilo mor chitta bittu. I am besides myself. Can't understand where am I? What is this? What is about me? Kichuna bujite mori to batul koilo. Almost made me mad. Am I a madman? Where is my past experience? My seriousness, the sobriety, gravity, where are they? What am I? The whole self converted by a foreign thing, a doll in the hand of so much a great force, and also very affectionate. I can't ascertain how it is possible by the faith in this unknown environment, unexperienced before. Krishna bujite dilo mori to batul koilo, mor chitta vittu sab hari. And at last I found that I am captivated. From inner out, whole thing had been captured by a particular sweet force. I can't help but be a prey to such a sweet force or power. Konoinu astrayo jar, heno vyavahar tar, bodnite na pariye sakal. I can't give any description properly. Whom I came to take shelter under as my guardian, and at his hand I am dealt in such a merciless and some despotic way. Still I feel that everything is very pleasing beyond my experience. What is this? Bodhina pariye sakal. Krishna naam ichha hoy, jahe jahe sukhi hoy, sei mor sukhi rasambhav. I can't stand anymore. I am fully captured, and let me fate go anyway. I can't come out. I am fully captivated in the hand of a sweet friend, I think, but my whole independence gone. I no way but to surrender. I am under such condition. I cannot give, unable to give any description of what is my position, real. Krishna naam ichha hoy, jahe jahe sukhi hoy, sei mor sukhi rasambhav. Now I found that he is autocrat. Whatever he likes to do, he will do. No help. Ichama Yahi Yahi Sukhi Hai. And now, in a way, when it is not possible for me to give any resistance, then to surrender. Jai, in whatever way he is pleased, let me also cooperate with that. Otherwise, what can I do? I am helpless. Vihay sei mor sukher sambhav. Mero kolika naam adbhuta rasir dham. Heno bol koro e prakar. Sometimes I find that is very love, concise, like a blossoming flower. The love is in a very suppressed and condensed form, I find. Adbhuta rasir dham. And very wonderful streams of sweet flows coming from it, current. It contains so many sweet, variegated nature of current within it. And wonderfully expressing himself in different ways. Because he